How to find my zip code on my phone. So basically, if you want to find your zip code on your phone, it is very simple to do so. On your phone, make sure first of all you access and turn on your location access right here. Once you turn on your GPS settings, now we will simply open our browser and you just have to search for my zip code as a keyword. Now when you search for this, Google might also ask you for your location access. You have to make sure to enable that permission, and once you do that, you'll find this link that says map developers. So from map developers, it says what is my zip code. We will go to this website right here. Now you can choose to enter an address manually right there and find your address, but because we have turned on our GPS location, right, what we can do is directly under zip code you'll be able to see your current zip code based on your location. This way you'll be able to find my zip code on my phone. I hope that this video was really helpful. If you have got any further questions, queries, and doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.